Hey my peoples, I'm FacebyTrevy. If you did not know, please press the subscribe button if you're not. I know 86% of y'all are not. And share with your friends. If you want to see how I got this Cosmo and Wanda inspired look, please continue to watch, stay tuned, and let's get into it. Let's get straight into this look. I'm going to be using 3 palettes today. The first one is going to be the NYX Ultimate palette. I just love it because all the colors. Great for crease colors, but I'm going in with this purple right here in the second row. Just tap that on this small, what is this? Blending brush. I love this brush. It's it's the Luxie 121 Mini Tapered. It's just really good for precise application in the crease. I just really love it, and it's also really good at blending. So I'm gonna put this all in the upper crease, and this shade is gonna have to be built up quite a bit. So I'm just gonna go tap blend until it gets as pigmented as I want it to get. And this is going to be kind of like our transition shade, kind of. Next, I'm going in with the Pure Festival palette. I love this palette to death. I'm going to take this pink right here in the second row, and that's going to go in our crease on the left eye. So I'm going to just start blending this down here and then blend it up into the purple. Oh, that's beautiful already. So just like this, start low in the crease, pick up more on the brush, and then start blending upwards into the purple. I do not want to cover this purple though. I want it to be more like a halo over. My fan is still on. I'm sorry about that. But I want it to be more like a halo over the pink. Next, I'm taking the Afrique, but I still can't pronounce this. Afrique by Juvias palette, and I'm going in with this green right here in the top row, and that's going to go in the same place as the pink did on the left eye. That's right, on the right eye. So I'm just going to take that on the brush like so, and then just start buffing it into the crease. And as you can tell, I did the outer corner as well on this lid. I'm going to do the same on the right. This shade of green is so beautiful. I don't even like the color green unless it's like nature, honestly. But this shade of green is so beautiful. Get the outer corner. I have a lot of fallout right now, but try not to touch it. I'm just going to take a clean brush and buff out this edge of the purple. Just clean it up so it doesn't look so harsh. Like my brushes match. But, so we're going to take the pink brush. And we're going to take the pink shadow. And we're going to go in with this. Oh, while I was gone, I cut my lid. Yeah. So, I'm going to go in with this pink brush and the pink shadow, and I'm going to tap this all over where I cut the lid on the side where it's green in the crease. So now you're starting to see more of like the Cosmo and Wanda feel, you know, Fairly Odd Parents, all of that. And you want to be real careful up against the line of the green, and same with the pink, because you don't want these two colors to mix. You kind of want to keep them separate. So I'm just going in to make sure that I don't mix them. I'm tapping instead of swiping. Also, it's just going to give you more pigment in the area that you're putting it on. So I'm just going in like this. Be careful up against that line. Pick up some more color. Do the same. Same with the green. I'm going to take the green brush with the green shadow. And then I'm going to tap all over on the pink side where I cut my lid. Why am I so far away? Oh my god. Okay. So just tap it in. Oh, look how pigmented that is. I love that Juvias palette so much. So just tapping it all over. And as you can probably tell, I went back in with the green so I can blend those two together slightly more. I'm not trying to get a complete blend from one to another, but I didn't want it was like a patch where there was no color. So I'm just going to continue to tap this green. Oh, here. Light colorish, silverish glitter I know it looks silver, but it's not. It has a lot of different reflex in it. There are some pink reflex, green, blue, purples, all type of reflexes. I'm putting this on both lids. I'm putting this all where I put the color where I cut my crease. Does that make sense? Okay. So all where I had my lid cut, I'm putting this on top of that color. So on this side it's the pink. As you can see, it already gives a little bit of shine compared to this one part here I didn't do, or compared to the green. Just adding a little bit more flair to this look. In person, this glitter is so beautiful. It goes with everything. I did my wing liner and base off camera. Next, I'm gonna go in with this blush over here from Ulta. It's called Pink Out. If you can find it, get it. It's amazing. I don't know if they sell it anymore. I'm sorry about that part. But it just goes with every look. And when I don't know what to wear, I always go straight to this blush. I'm gonna be sad when I run out of this compact because I can't find it anywhere else. But I know it has to be somewhere. It always has to be somewhere. So I hope I'm not going crazy with this. I'm not, we're good. So, and then, you know, I just like to put this in other parts of the face to balance out color a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my lower lash. So I'm taking a flat brush. Flat brush. And I'm going to take this purple. Actually, I'm going to take the color next to the purple that we went in with. And that's going to go on the lower lash line. I only chose to do that pinkish purple one because this eye looks really dark with the green on the outer corner, and I don't want to close it in with a dark lower lash line. And this I'm gonna take all the way in. I'm gonna take it all the way in and try to blend it pretty low. Look at that, it already opened up the bottom, added some definition to it as well. It's a very pretty color. It's very close to the pink though. So I'm gonna apply these really, really pretty long lashes from Lashmeup Cosmetics in the style Melissa, and I'll be back to finish up this look. So the lashes on, they're huge, like they're huge. But I went in on my waterline with this white pencil liner just to open up the eye a little bit more, and I did mascara top and bottom with the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Next, I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna take this palette from Pure's the Bronze and Brighten palette. It'll be linked down below with everything else. And I'm gonna take this pinkish shade here and this golden shade here. I love to mix these, and this combination is gonna go on the cheeks and the Cupid's bow. Look how it glows so good. And for the brow bone, I can't think of the name of it. For the brow bone, we're going to take this small fluffy brush. We're going to go into the silver shade. And we're going to blend that up in here. And then we're also going to use that color on a pencil brush wet. And that's going to go in the inner corner. Look how bright that is. I love this highlighter palette. Alright, and since Wanda is the bossy one, she took over with the lips with this pink tone gloss from Lemonade, one of the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade gloss. I love this gloss to death, and it smells so good. But this is the look for today. Cosmo and Wanda facial takeover. These lashes are huge. But I'm FacebyTrevy. If you like this look and want to see more like it, click my face over here to subscribe and watch some of my other uploads, and follow my social media. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. And I will see you in the next one.